Z is equal to 5 plus qi satisfies z squared plus iz is equal to negative p plus 25i, where p and q are real numbers. Find p and q. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to sub this first equation here into this second equation right here. So therefore, we're going to have 5 plus qi squared plus I times 5 plus qi equal to negative p plus 25i. Now, if that's the case, that means that 25 plus 10 qi plus q squared I squared plus 5i plus qi squared is equal to negative p plus 25i. Now recall that I squared is equal to negative 1 because I is equal to the square root of negative 1, right? Which is something we can't do, which is why we have I, the imaginary number. So therefore, we're going to end up with 25 minus q squared, right? Because the I squared turns into negative 1. Same thing with over here. We're going to have just minus q over here, minus q plus 10qi plus 5i is equal to negative p plus 25i. All right, and next we're going to say that we need for 25 or negative q squared minus q plus 25 to equal to minus p, because these are the real terms. So the real terms on the left must be equal to the real terms on the right. And then same with the imaginary terms, right? We know that 10q plus 5 must be equal to 25 because this is the imaginary term on the right is 25i. The imaginary terms on the left are 10qi plus 5i. So the trouble with the first equation is that it has two unknowns, whereas the second equation just has one unknown. So we should solve this one first. So we have 10q is equal to 20. That means q is equal to 2. Now, if q is equal to 2, that tells us that negative p is equal to negative 2 squared minus 2 plus 25. Therefore, negative p is negative 4 minus 2 plus 25. Therefore, negative p is equal to 19. And therefore, p is equal to negative 19. And so those are the answers.